In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome closing and crashing automatically. If you've been experiencing issues with your Chrome browser abruptly shutting down or crashing, you're not alone, and there's a good chance you can resolve the problems with a few simple steps. First off, let's get into clearing your browsing data. Often, the root of the problem might be corrupted data stored in your cache, which can interfere with the browser's performance. You want to start by heading over to your settings. Once you're there, click on Privacy and Security and find the option for Clear Browsing Data. Here, you'll want to select the Cache and Cookies options. Don't worry, this won't delete your important files or passwords, just the temporary files that might be causing trouble. If after clearing the cache, you find that Chrome is still not operating smoothly, it might be time for a more thorough approach. This means resetting Chrome's settings to their original defaults. Now, before you panic, resetting your settings doesn't delete your bookmarks or history. It simply rolls back any changes that could be causing these crashes. To reset your settings, stay in the Settings menu, scroll down to find Reset and Cleanup, and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This action disables your extensions temporarily and wipes temporary data, giving Chrome a chance to start fresh. This process is simpler and more effective than you might think. Many people worry about losing their bookmarks or history when resetting their settings, but rest assured, those remain intact. Only unnecessary extensions and temporary files are removed, so you won't lose your essential data. It's all about giving Chrome a fresh start by removing anything that could potentially disrupt its performance. Remember to check if your problem persists after doing these steps. Sometimes a simple cleanup is all that's needed to have your browser working flawlessly again. However, if you still encounter issues, it might be worth considering any recent changes you've made to your system, or even checking for updates, as outdated software can sometimes lead to unexpected crashes. By following these instructions, you should notice a distinct improvement in Chrome's functionality, enabling you to surf the web seamlessly without the unnecessary interruptions. Now you can enjoy browsing with confidence, knowing that these basic steps can help prevent any further closing or crashing issues you might face. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.